a skills platform to excel. Welcome to Max eSmart. A wonderful platform for students to excel in studies, for parents to become really model parents, teachers to become very lively teachers, for executives very effective at professional work. When it comes to students, no subject training. Already you are attending several direct and indirect courses and training programs. But this is one thing where we teach that you are not attended so far. You will be equipped with so many scientific learning skills to study very well and score very high marks in exams. Over 25 years of full-fledged training benefiting more than 2 lakh students, teachers, parents and executives. Counsel thousands and thousands of people of all professions to handle their careers and personal issues. Set as many as 15 Limcan world records, broken even Guinness records in scientific learning skills. Parents, you must have tried several means of equipping your children through various things like coachings, tuitions, online programs for subjects. But you have ever thought of providing the learning skills which are most pivotal for them to grasp all these things and reproduce in the examinations? That is the basic requirement, Unfortunately, it would not have been done by you. It's because Max eSmart is India's one and only platform for complete skills. You name it: super memory, handwriting, scoring high marks, stress management, parenting, lively teaching, and goal setting, targeting, any area. We have various programs, skills based. Now you have a great opportunity to equip yourself as well as provide these skills to your children as well. A very warm welcome to you. Max eSmart, skills to excel and make learning a real pleasure.